switch to my hands sa top part, sa anterior part. I'm going to pull, hip flexion, and knee flexion. Combine hip and knee flexion. Okay? Very easy to do. Range of motion. You want to get as far as you can, as much range as you can. Okay. Nakita ko rin kanina. Diba? I just changed my hand placement. From under, nagiging over.
Hip and knee flexion.
To reach full flexion. Kasi pag ginawa natin extended yung knee, relax. Hindi mo niya, hanggang dyan lang, wala na akong move. Pag diniretso ko pa, because flexible. But we're not talking about stretching here. We're talking about range of motion lang. Okay? If you want to achieve full knee flexion, hip flexion, you have to bend the knee. There you go. Because your hamstrings is connected from where? What's your origin of your hamstrings?
Axis. Anterior.
Velocity.
Ay,
Saan nakakabend? Attaches to your
hamstring eh.
Yeah.
Scaphoid.
So if you want put off tension or take the
Rectus
tension
femoris.
out of your hamstrings, so right now yan ang hip flexion yan nandyan. If I want to increase or get full, you bend the knee kasi you take the tension out of your hamstrings, which is stopping you from extending that. Why does the hip have to be flexed to reach full knee extension naman? The extension of your rectus femoris muscle. We'll show you that later when you do hip extension exercises. Okay?